Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find the IMEI number on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General, then tap on About. Next, go down. And in here, you'll be able to find the device IMEI number. And there's another one down here is IMEI 2. Now this is a physical SIM, that is a SIM that you put on the side in the SIM tray in your phone. And the IMEI 2 is the eSIM, and that is the electronic SIM that is built into the device itself. And basically with this number, with the IMEI number, when you need to verify your device or when you need to repair your device, sometimes the support staff will ask for the IMEI number, and you can find it in here. Now another way you can get the IMEI number is from your phone application. So if I tap on the keypad, I think you can just put in *#06# and it will bring up your device IMEI number in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.